Everybody here? Where's Nathan Detroit?
Present.
Here you are, Mrs. Hudson. Sarah, 1 dozen or more assorted sinners. Sorry we didn't have time to clean them up.
Won't you gentlemen sit down?
Sit down, all of you. And this is a mission, not rules then, so I suggest that you don't indulge yourself in any unpleasantness. Since I'm required to depart for points west tonight, I'm appointing Nathan Detroit Major Domo on my place. Nathan, anybody who does not conduct himself according to Hoyle will answer to Sky Masterson personally.
What a remarkable young man.
So we're going to that, guys. Sister Abnathy, your dice.
Gentlemen, we are honored tonight. The meeting will be conducted by the head of our organization, General Crain. It is wonderful to see our mission graced by the presence of so many evil-looking sinners. Now, who would like to start the ball rolling by giving testimony?
Bebe, give testimony.
I ain't no stool pigeon. Come, brothers, I know it is difficult, but let one of you give testimony to sin that is in his heart. Anyone?
Harry.
Oh, no.
Harry the horse.
Well, like when Scott was rolling us for our souls.
I beg your pardon?
Sky Masterson, he rolled us $1,000 against our souls. That's why we're here.
I don't think I understand.
I do, General. It means that they are only here because Mr. Masterson won them in a dice game.
How wonderful. This whole meeting is a result of gambling. It shows how good can come out of evil. Sergeant Sarah, you have done remarkable work.
Thank you.
Anybody else?
Aha! House of the Lord. Roll down your testimony from Brother Nicely Johnson. Brother Nicely Johnson.
Well, it happened kind of funny, like a dream. That's it, a dream.
Tell us in your own words.
I dreamed last night I got on the boat to heaven, and by some chance